No matter what your role is inside the organization you work for, a large part of your success depends on getting convenience store operators to do something that you need them to do. And that's what I'm coming to talk to you about. I'm David Allison, and at the Verifone Customer Forum, I'm going to share something you've never seen before. It's custom research conducted just for this event that reveals the core human values driving every decision that convenience store operators make. This isn't about demographics. This isn't about guesswork. This is about values, the deep motivational triggers that explain why people say yes to some things and absolutely ignore everything else. To get here, we've surveyed 1 million people in 152 different languages across 180 countries to build the world's largest and first database of human values. And then we went a step further for you. We've run a brand new study just for this event, just for this keynote, focused specifically on the people you're trying to reach every single day. So whether you're in IT or distribution or brand management, or doesn't matter what your role is, you're going to leave this session with a practical framework that you can use immediately. You're going to know exactly what to say and how to position what you do so it lands with those store operators making the decisions that matter most to your business. This is the same process, same data we use with our clients like Google and PayPal and Amazon and the United Nations Foundation, and now we're bringing it to work for you. Here's the thing. This research, it's never been done before for this audience, and it's not going to exist anywhere else. So if you're not in the room, you're going to miss the only chance to get it. So make sure you're in the room, because when you know what people value, you can change what happens next. Values are the answer. All we have to do is put them to work, and I'm coming to show you how. We'll see you at the Verifone Customer Forum.